इस इलाके की माशी, माशरती और रूहानी खुशहाली में एक नया बाब रकम कर सकता है। बर्रे सगीर के मुसलमानों के लिए अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी एक ऐसी जिंदा मिसाल है जिसने क़याम पाकिस्तान की सोच और जज्बों में एक नई रूह फूंकी। जुनूबी वजीरिस्तान का हेडक्वार्टर वाना भी एक ऐसी ही दरसगाह को पुकार रहा था। यही वो वक्त था जब गर्ल्स डिग्री कॉलेज वाना की बुनियाद रखी गई।
I would like to talk something about the region, the FATA region, which we all know that has remained underdeveloped throughout the known history, and even after partition the status quo was maintained and no worthwhile efforts were made to bring these areas into the national mainstream. The government of Pakistan conceived and decided to implement the maxim that is to change the perception and uplift the tribesmen through education. In pursuance of the same vision, the Chief of Army Staff, General Ashfaq Pervez Kiani, announced the project of Cadet College Wana in February 2010. The establishment of an eminent institution like Cadet College Wana attains an added importance as it is the first institution of its kind in South Waziristan. The process of establishing Cadet College from scratches went through a lengthy process which involved various channels and activities. I was appointed the project director of this project in December 2010. It had been a dedicated team effort because of which we were able to accomplish the assigned mission, and we have been able to start off this college in the given time span as promised and as tasked to us by the Chief of Army Staff.
किसी भी माशरे की माशरती और माशी तरक्की में तालीम एक कलीदी किरदार अदा करती है। तालीम का हुसूल हमारे मजहबी अक़दार में शामिल है और इस पर अमल करना या करवाना न सिर्फ दुनियावी जरूरत है बल्कि इसमें आखिरत के समरात भी पोशीदा हैं। जुनूबी वजीरिस्तान तालीम के मामले में हमेशा से ही अदम तवज्जो का शिकार रहा है। इस ज़िम्न में एक डिग्री कॉलेज की बुनियाद रखी गई थी। डिग्री कॉलेज को कैडेट कॉलेज वाना बनाने का फैसला किया गया।
जनूबी वजीरिस्तान में ऑपरेशन राह निजात जब ख़त्म हुआ तो जो तहकीक हुई उससे ये नतीजा निकला कि यहाँ पर तालीमी मयार की पस्ती और तालीमी सहूलियात की कमी की वजह से जो जवान लोग थे और बच्चे थे वो दहशतगर्दी की तरफ राग़िब हुए, और इस अमल को लाने के लिए चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ ने एक विज़न दिया जिसके तहत फाटा के अंदर तालीमी सरगर्मियों को परवान चढ़ाने के लिए कई जो मंसूबे बनाए गए। उनमें मंसूबा जो सबसे नुमायां था वो कैडेट कॉलेज वाना का मंसूबा था। ये कॉलेज एक नए फार्मूले के तहत कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया जो बिल्ड ऑपरेट की बजाय ऑपरेट एंड बिल्ड के असूल पर बनाया गया। यानी जो कॉन्सेप्ट था वो आने के 4 से 6 महीने के अंदर अंदर इस कॉलेज ने काम करना शुरू कर दिया, जबकि साथ साथ इसकी बिल्डिंग बनानी शुरू कर दी गई जो अभी तामीर के आखिरी मराहिल में है। ये कॉलेज अब इंशाअल्लाह 1 साल मुकम्मल करने वाला है।
जोग्राफियाई लिहाज से कॉलेज डेरा इस्माइल खां से 140 किलोमीटर शुमाल मगरिब और सतह समंदर से 4,850 फुट की बुलंदी पर वाक़ है।
Chief of the Army Staff, when he was inaugurating the landmark road between Tak, Gomalzam Dam and Wana, announced the establishment of Cadet College Wana, thinking that the emancipation of this area can begin with education. By the grace of God, we commenced our first class in an under construction degree college for women in Wana on 4th April 2011.
कॉलेज अभी तकमील के मराहिल में ही था कि वजीरिस्तान में मुल्क दुश्मन अनासर के खिलाफ जंग का आगाज हुआ और इसी दौरान पाक फौज ने गर्ल्स डिग्री कॉलेज को कैडेट कॉलेज वाना में तब्दील करने का फैसला किया। यूं कैडेट कॉलेज वाना हुब्बुल वतनी के जज्बे से सरशार कैडेट्स की आवाजों से गूंज उठा।
Cadet College Vana provides them an education which is next door. It has a very simple mission, and the mission is to develop the boys in all spheres of this personality with a view to making them good human beings, true Muslims and patriotic citizens. Within this, the focus is on their academic excellence, then it is on intellectual advancement, then it is as far as physical development is concerned. The objectives which we are looking at are providing them a well-rounded personality.
इस इमारत की बुनियाद खुलूस नियत और बुलंद इरादे पर रखी गई थी, क्योंकि ये आने वाले जमानों में एक नया संगे मील साबित होने जा रहा था।
We started our academic session since April 2011 with the first entry of 50 cadets in class 9, and then in August 2011 we inducted an entry of 50 cadets of class 11th. We have started with full force and we are well equipped, having all sort of facilities, well equipped science laboratories, a well equipped computer lab, a good library for the extra studies of our cadets. Chief of Army Staff supported us in all aspects, logistically, morally, and the untiring efforts of Pakistan Army enabled us to stand upon our own feet. And here, by the grace of Allah Almighty, I can assure you that Cadet College will not be second to any cadet college of the country.
Now, the second part, the distance covered by the work. Grant you second.
गो के कैडेट कॉलेज वाना को वजूद में आए चंद माह का अरसा ही गुजरा है, मगर मेयार तालीम की बात हो या जदीद तकाज़ों से हमाहंग साइंस लेबोरेटरीज की, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का शोबा हो या हालात हाजरा से खुद को बाखबर रखने के लिए कॉलेज की कुशादा और वसी लाइब्रेरी, ये सब अपनी मिसाल आप है। बात खेलों की सरगर्मियों की हो या यहां पर मौजूद दीगर सहूलियात की, बिलाशुबा इसका मवाजना पाकिस्तान के किसी भी कैडेट कॉलेज से किया जा सकता है।
Our prime aim is to make a practicing Muslim, a good human being and a good student out of these cadets. We ensure this through inculcating a habit of discipline amongst the students. Discipline words reiterates regulations, conscience, skill and mastery. We introduce the students to basic military discipline through drill and physical training and try to inculcate the habit of self-discipline amongst the students. Now coming over to the broad distribution of an academic year, we have divided the year into primarily into three basic terms. First term comprises of the academic activities mostly. The second term, it is a mix of co-curricular, sports competitions and academic sessions. Final term is a mix of different stage shows, events, final annual prize distributions and exams of different natures. Specifically coming over to the daily routine of a day, the whole day is primarily divided into different activities, giving ample rest to the students.
A cadet's pledge I, as a proud heir to this heavenly homeland Pakistan that gives me a name and an identity, pledge to uphold the dignity, honor and sovereignty of my country at all cost and bear true faithfulness and allegiance to my beloved homeland. Before Almighty Allah and my nation, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the vim and vigor of my body, and the service of my fellow countrymen. I promise to stand up for unity, faith and discipline, to work diligently and creatively, to think honestly, and to help build a prosperous and peaceful Pakistan. I proclaim that I will serve my country with pride, defend it with valor, and promise to be sincere and earnest to my motherland, and rise above sectional interest and private ambitions. I make solemn vow to remain resolute and committed in fulfilling my obligations with the gift of my mind and strength of my arms. May it be night or day, in mist or storm, in every need, whatever the call may be. I undertake to rise high my flag now and evermore. I pledge my heart forever to serve with humble pride the shining homeland ever so long as earth abide.
V square by 2n. A and A.
कॉलेज में ज़ेर तालीम तलबा काबिल व माहिर असातिज़ा की ज़ेर निगरानी हुसूल इल्म में मसरूफ़ हैं। बेशक यहाँ दी जाने वाली तालीम मुल्की और गैर मुल्की आला तालीमी इदारों के ऐन मुताबिक है। तमाम तर सहूलियात की दस्तयाबी के बायस तलबा की तरबियत इंतहाई बेहतर अंदाज में की जाती है।
Today, the topic of my speech is the Muslim at the edge of destruction. Perhaps today Muslims are passing through their worst period of their history. Muslims are no more successful both in material and theological senses. In 11th and 12th century, the Muslims were like a bright star on the sky of knowledge and skill. And they were guidance and example for all the nations. Muslims were the inventors of all the knowledge, that is, chemistry, physics, biology, philosophy, etc. Our religion, Islam and Muslim, were famous in the whole world because of their great scholars and intellectual rulers. But gradually, Muslims lost their position, and now they are being ruled instead of rulers. Of course, there are many reasons behind this worst situation, but the time does not permit me to explain all this.
कैडेट कॉलेज वाना से रूनुमा होने वाली इल्म की रोशनी वजीरिस्तान ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे मुल्क को मुनव्वर करेगी और इस तरह एक नई सुबह का आगाज होगा।
Talking of Cadet College Vana, the college has certainly enhanced the level of understanding of the common people. The schools, the local schools from where the students come from, because a bulk of the seats which have been given to South Western Agency, including Ahmedzi, Wazir and Masood area, consist of those people or students which are coming from the local schools. I will name few schools which have been a gradual standard upraising. Was Musa Nika Public School and Al-Baruni Public School and Darwesh Public School are the schools where students have successfully got admission into Cadet College Vana. At this moment, there are a number of schools which are trying to upgrade their standards so that their students can also qualify for Cadet College Vana. The schools from where the students have been successful and are studying in Cadet College Vana have certainly a sense of pride in them, and the principal and the students and the teachers, they always say that X number of students are there in Cadet College Vana studying, and that is now has become a base of standard for those schools. The effects which it has generated is that there is a lot of competition among the schools. The education standards are being enhanced. The level of education, the understanding what education can do for this area is what is going to make this agent of change do good for this area. The effect which this college is going to have on this, the psyche of the local people, especially the youngsters, the people who are studying in other schools, is phenomenal, and is understandable that in times to come